What's up, guys? We're over in ChatGPT, and we are going to cover how you don't need a VA, how you don't need to know Canva, and you can still produce high quality ad designs if you're running a community card, doing any sort of print, or any logo creation. This will be a video that's going to save you time and money. So, hopefully, this brings a lot of value to you, and let's jump right in. Cool. So what we have right here, I uploaded our image logo. We're going to pretend to be a plumbing company. And with that plumbing company, I said using the attached logo as the brand mark, create a bold, high contrast square social ad for residential plumbing company called Big Sky Automation Plumbing. Use clean, trustworthy, blue and white color scheme, pulled with the logo, include a professional plumber image or icon, and the headline, I want it to be fast, reliable plumbing, same day service. And I want a call to action bar at the bottom. It says book now, and then call a fill in number. And a logo placed in a corner. Format this on a 1-to-1 ratio or 1080 by 1080 pixels. And this is the font type, visual strong. So I'll go ahead and hit start. And then I'm going to have to let this process for a second. So the video will cut and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I did is ChatGPT was kind of taking a little bit long here, so I paused the video for a bit longer, and I went ahead and I put in all of the prompts, and right now it is generating the last photo. So let's go ahead and walk through them real quick. This is the plumber version. So as you can see in the design, very clean looking. It came out with the phone number, the logo, fast, reliable plumbing, same day service, and like it even gave little images at the bottom, and then it actually put somebody in uniform that might work for the company. Really crisp, really clean. This could go on any print version, direct mail. So if you run community cards, 9 by 12, just make sure you put in kind of the ratio that the image would be, which if you're doing 5 by 6 inches, or you're doing 3 by 6 inches, just find out what the ratio in pixels would be to make it look clean on a 6.5 by 12 postcard or 9 by 12. Then you just plug this right into Canva. Really simple, really easy, looks really clean, and all like this is all. I'm just using the free version right now. We're not even on the paid version. So let's go to the next image. So here is the next one. We are pretending to be a or a lawn care slash landscaping company, and we're Big Sky Automation Lawn Care. So the same thing, same call to action. Your lawn perfected, free estimates as the call to action in the bottom. Get a quote, call this number, logo placed in the corner, and then the 1 by 1 ratio. And here is the finished product. Super clean looking, really vibrant, made the whole lawn picture itself. The call to action is your lawn perfected. So people know that you're going to get a high quality result because we put a lot of care into it. You get healthy lawns, expert care, and reliable service. So we can come out within the same week. However you want to frame it, so that way the customer knows that you're a premium care company. And get a quote, call this number. Simple, simple, simple. So we didn't need to go through a VA. We didn't need to go through finding somebody on Fiverr. We didn't need to go through finding a design. We didn't need to learn Canva, Adobe, none of this. This is really clean, straightforward looking. And then we made one other, and it looks like it's still working. So we'll kind of go back to this one and talk about it a little bit. How easy is it to literally go into ChatGPT, tell it, you could actually have it go and find the website of the business owner or the actual business and create a prompt based on what their business is and their colors. It'll pull hex colors and everything, and then say, hey, here's the clear call to action they want on here. Here's the phone number. Here is their logo. Can you create me a 1-to-1 ratio design that I can put into a Canva file later? And it'll literally create this awesome looking design. So this way you don't need to go hire anybody. So if you're spending a couple $100 per card to get these designed, this looks better than anything that I've ever had somebody create on Fiverr. Also, I know that we create a lot of our ads, but there are so many people in our community on our online that are just saying, I struggle with Canva. This was the hardest part. Is there any other thing that I can do? So now we can just prompt it and it'll literally print out a perfectly looking logo and design to go on your postcard. All right, so this ad ended up finishing. So this time we're pretending, I know we are a web development team. So this is something if you're going to do on a business to business mailer, you would say websites that work as hard as you do, web development, custom design, fast performance, mobile friendly, and you get the design at the bottom. So never, ever again does anyone have to struggle with ad design, anything when it comes to digital creation. This is so game changing. A lot of people in our community are using this already, but this is to give everybody the same ground level. So we've talked to a few people in other communities that are struggling with the ad design. They're paying, $100 to $200 to actually get other people. And you've got that bottleneck where you're waiting on ads to be created. This was created, all of this prompt, the actual design creation, about 10 minutes to get three. So if you had 16, multiply that by, let's say 15. So it'd be about 50 minutes. So you do all of them. And how quick could that be? Because you're not going to bust them all at once. So you do one at a time. Get the ad approved, give them the design, print it, send it to the printer, or proof it, send it to the printer, and now you've got a beautiful, wonderfully designed card. I do recommend that you still use Canva to connect all of these pieces together. So it is important to have that at least shareable link with the printer. But this should get everyone moving in the right direction. If anyone has any questions, can you please drop them in the comments? I would be happy to answer them, clear things up. If there's something that still is missing in the piece of the puzzle, that where you're working in your postcard that you're having a bottleneck, share it with us. We'd love to get an answer, create a video for the whole community, and everybody that watches and supports us. So as always, name's Dalton, Big Sky Automation and the Community Card Playbook. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thanks for watching.